All right, folks, let's talk about our mantras. What is a mantra? A mantra is a sentence or it's a slogan used repeatedly. Our mantras are things you will hear all the time. And pretty much a lot of things that happen here, whether it's positive or it's negative, can be summed up in some of our mantras as a result of either following some of our mantras or not following some of our mantras when poor things happen. If you grasp our mission statement, our vision statement, and our mantras, it is so easy for you to make decisions, and it's also so easy for you to understand why we do what we do as a company, why we make decisions the way we do. Mantra number one is our hashtag overcommunication. You will hear this all the time. I'm gonna say about 50% of our problems is when people do not over-communicate. Let's talk about this. Communication is normal. That's not what we're asking you. I'm not asking you to communicate. We're asking you to over-communicate. Overly. We have a lot of policies we have put in place that we expect you to follow to ensure this over-communication happens. Over-communication with the customer, over-communication with various teammates, over-communication with leadership team, and also over-communication in different formats. Verbally, you have to write it, you have to verbally say it, you have to text it, you have to email it. Overly using different methods and different people to communicate in an overly way. The reason I'm excessive is I'm hoping you will remember this conversation, because there may be a time I'm gonna sit with you and tell you to not over-communicate. There will always be repetition of the same message to 3 people or more. Just because you told 1 person means nothing. Even 2, that means nothing. You must not settle and be done with your communication of any message if you've not already communicated to 3 people or more. At all times. You're gonna be late for work, you must send text messages to 3 people or more, or in management or leads that are gonna be working the shift. You need to call the restaurant. You need to put it on hot schedules, which is a software you use for scheduling and stuff. That's 3 methods, and it's a lot of people involved in all of that way of the communication. We have a team of 45 staff currently, and about 97% of them are teenagers. In other words, they're ages 15 to 19. Over-communication is necessary to ensure everything goes smooth in this company. I'm gonna tell you one example. If you grab the scissors and use it to open a bag of pepperoni, and you do not put the scissors back where you took them. Now in your house, your mom is gonna see you within a few hours of whatever it is, and is gonna ask you, hey, where's the scissors? Or where's my wallet? Where's my socks? Where's my whatever? But we have a team that is large. You may not work again for the next 5 days. You took the scissors and you did not put it back where you took it from. And now we're looking for scissors because we want to open another bag and we cannot find the scissors. You're going to waste another team member's time looking for that scissor. You're going to add frustration because they're going to be thinking about why people can't put back everything they grab. Oh, you caused frustration, you wasted time. And then also, eventually they can't find that scissors. They need to use knife and stab a bag of pepperoni or whatever it is. I have done that a lot. I can't find the scissors. Put it back where you got it from. And over-communicate if you did not put it back where it was, so other people know where it is. In fact, this is mandatory. This is not a suggestion for you to over-communicate. And I know you can do it. You're like, oh no, it's mandatory? God forbid. You can do this. I know it. I guarantee you will not die off of it.